Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sima Yoga. This is Minu, certified yoga trainer. Don't have time for a full workout? Give me just 15 minutes and I'll help you to energize the entire body. Today we are flowing through Surya Namaskar, a complete practice to build flexibility, strength, and stillness in your mind. Let's get started. So, coming to a comfortable seated position, hands placed on your knees. Take a moment to ground yourself on the mat, relaxing your face muscles and your shoulders. Gently shifting the awareness on the breath. Start to deepen the breath without forcing yourself. Take a complete inhale and a slow exhale out. Few more deep, slow breaths. Gently open your eyes. Let's start with simple warm ups. So, keeping your fingertips on your shoulders, inhale, take both arms up. Exhale, back and down. 3 more times according to your breath. Reverse, inhale, back and up. Exhale to the front and down. 3 more times. Gently relax. Coming to all four position, cat and cow stretches. Keeping your knees under your hips and hands under your shoulders. Inhale, try to arch your back, chest down, chin up. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale, arch, chest down, chin up. Exhale, pull your navel in, push yourself away, chin towards the chest. 2 more times according to your breath. Let the breath guide your movement. Gently coming back to the center. Tuck your abdomen in, keeping your spine in a neutral position. Move forward to take your shoulders ahead of your wrist and slowly come back. Few more times, rocking forward to prepare your wrist. Keep pushing the mat away from yourself and rock back and forth. Coming back, sit back on the legs. Stretching both of the arms forward, keeping your thumbs inside, fingers closed. Rotate the wrist. Reverse. Relax. So, tuck your toes and slowly lift your hips up and push it back towards your downward facing dog. You can lengthen your spine and slowly straighten one by one leg.
by pressing one heel on the mat while bending the other one. Keep walking your legs. Move with your own pace. Take a deep breath and slowly walk forward. Bend your knees and slowly roll yourself up to standing position. Take a deep breath in, slow breath out, starting with Surya Namaskar. So coming to the top end of the mat, keeping both of your legs at your hip width, hands at prayer position. So slightly press your palms, activate your chest muscles. On the next inhale, try to take both arms up. Inhale, lengthen your sides of the body. Exhale, bend your knees and go down as much as possible. Inhale, halfway lift. Support your arms on the legs and try to lengthen your spine. Exhale, again bending your knees, hands down, step back to plank. Take one by one leg back to plank. So try to push yourself away from the mat, abdomen slightly pulled in, engaged. Stay here for a breath. Inhale, exhale, knee down, sit back on your legs for child position. Inhale, roll yourself to Bhujangasana. So bringing your hips forward and down, bend your elbows, lifting your chest up. Shoulders relaxed. Exhale, push back towards your down dog. You can come to cat cow, tuck your toes and lift your hip up. Deep breath here. On the next inhale, step forward. Halfway lift, supporting your arms on the legs, lengthen your spine. Exhale, full forward fold. Option 2, keep your knees straight or bent. Inhale, take both arms up. Lengthen your spine. Look up. Exhale, prayer position. Deep breath yourself. Let's continue to do few more rounds of this. So, starting with your prayer position. Inhale, taking both arms up. Lengthen and look up. Exhale, full forward fold. Knees either straight or bent. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthening your spine. Exhale, step back to plank. Arms down, step one by one leg back to plank. Staying here for 2 breaths this time to build heat in the body. So push yourself against the gravity. On the next exhale, knees down, child position. Inhale, roll yourself to Bhujangasana. Sinking your hip down, lift your chest up. Exhale, push back towards your down dog. Tuck your toes and push your hips higher and back. Take a deep breath here. On the next inhale, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, take both arms up. Exhale, prayer position. Deep breath yourself. This time, let's try to do 2 rounds at a one stretch. So coming to the comfortable standing position, pressing all the toes on the mat, grip the mat. Prayer position. Inhale, take both arms up, lengthening your upper body. Exhale, full forward fold. Bend your knees, go down as much as possible. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Staying here for 2 breaths. Abdomen engaged. Inhale, exhale, knee down, child position. Inhale, roll yourself to Bhujangasana. So use your back muscles to lift your chest up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step forward. Halfway lift. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, take both arms up. Exhale, prayer position. Let's continue. Inhale, take both arms up, lengthening the whole body. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Stay here for 2 breaths. Focus on the breath. Inhale, exhale, child position. Inhale, roll yourself to Bhujangasana. Exhale, push back to down dog. Lengthening your spine, take a breath here. On the next inhale, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, take both arms up. Exhale, prayer position. 1 deep breath. One more slow round of Surya Namaskar. Bringing your palms together at the heart center. Inhale, take both arms up. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Inhale, exhale, knee down, child position. On the next inhale, roll yourself forward to Bhujangasana. Elbows bent, shoulders relaxed. Exhale, push back towards your down dog. Take a deep breath here. On the next inhale, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, take both arms up. Exhale, prayer position. Relax, take a deep breath, and slowly coming to lying down position. So you can lie down on the back. Deep breath yourself. Now keeping your left leg straight, bring your right leg on top of your left knee. Your right arm straight to the right shoulder. Your left arm holds the right knee from the outer side. Inhale. Exhale, drop your right knee towards the left side. Option to place a pillow under your knees. And slowly turn your face towards the right side. 3 breaths here. Gently come back. Changing the legs. Bringing your left leg on top of the right knee. Holding the outer side of your left leg with your right arm. Stretching your left arm straight to the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, dropping your left knee towards the right side. Gazing towards your left fingertips. 3 breaths here. Gently relax and come back. Finding your Savasana position. Keeping your legs and arms relaxed. Relaxing each and every part of your body. Starting from the toes, till the top of the head. Complete surrender of yourself to gravity. Relax. Gently take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. You can slowly move your fingers and toes. And when you are comfortable, turn onto your right side and slowly come up to the seated position.
Gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone for practicing with me. So, if this session has made you feel good, then feel free to come back to it anytime whenever your body needs energy and clarity.
Namaste.